What up? Joe Brasco here, Noisy Neighbor Media Group, making a video right now about the Canon 60D. This video is not really a review video because I just recently purchased the camera. It's more so a video about why I purchased the camera. I'm working on a documentary and I'm using a Canon T2i, and I was having heating issues with it. And you know, what I was noticing was that the camera would heat up after shooting these long takes. Because unlike in a music video, you know, you're shooting the video, you cut the camera off, you set up for the next scene, cut the camera back on, shoot the scene. You can shoot from multiple angles, which is another thing that I'm kind of was looking into getting a second camera. So after doing some research, I decided, hey, I'll get an upgrade camera. And what I was gonna do, I was gonna go with a 7D and whatnot, but after looking at the research, I was noticing that the 7D also had heating issues. So I said it'll be between the 5D and the 60D. Called a couple of friends of mine who work with the 5D. They were all saying that the 5D is a great camera. I've actually worked with it. It is a great camera. One of my friends said he had an issue with his heated up on him once. So, you know, 1 out of 5 isn't bad. But I looked at the overall thing and I was reading the reviews, and a lot of people were having good things to say about the 60D. I also have a friend, he works with a 60D and he swears by it also. And so I decided, hey, I'll go with the 60D. So I got the 60D. Here's the box. Not doing an unbox, but 60D, you know, Canon. Came with the pamphlets, you know. Everybody has the pamphlets, you know, and whatnot. But let's get to it. This is the camera. So I got the 60D. Nice camera, real heavy, sturdy camera. I like the weight factor. However, I'm gonna add a battery grip because, you know, my hands are kind of big. But overall, nice, big camera, firm. And also, you know, I have lenses, but now I have a new lens to the arsenal. It comes with the 18 to 135 millimeter lens. Like I said, it's not a review video because I haven't really much worked with this camera yet. Took a few pictures around the house and whatnot, so I'll put some of those up at the end of the video as well. But what I've noticed about the camera from the little bit that I've worked with is it's pretty easy to catch on to. Like most Canon cameras are, they're pretty easy to catch on to. Not a real hard learning curve, but I know there's going to be more that I want to do to this, so I'm going to really get into it. But also I like the fact that now I have a camera that I can use where I can put this on a tripod, focus on my main character of the documentary, take my T2i, put it on the shoulder rig now, and I can move about and capture different scenes and angles within the scene as I'm shooting, which would actually, you know, give me a lot more to work with on working on this documentary. It's gonna be a real spiritual documentary, a lot of emotion, a lot of spiritual faith talk, which I think, you know, the world needs right now. So I want to be able to capture as many, you know, people with this story that is gonna be coming out pretty soon. Can't give it an estimated time yet. We've only been shooting for about a month and a half now, but I want to be able to basically show the emotion behind the that I'm catching behind the lens. That's what's going on in front of the lens. I wanted to share that with you guys. So that was one of the main reasons I purchased this camera. Was 1, out of necessity for the overheating, and 2, to give you different perspectives of what I'm seeing. And I hope that you guys look out for me, you know, stay with me. I'll be bringing you more videos. Got a couple of music videos lined up. Got a few b-boy festivals lined up, you know, so I'll still do the b-boy thing. As you can see, I do music, so hip-hop is always going to be part of me. It was just basically a video explaining the Canon 60D. After I mess with it a little bit more, I'll do a review video But right now, this is my first video for you guys as far as on this whole explaining some kind of hardware, software, whatever. And look forward to making some more. Other than that, like I said, Joe Braskill, Noisy Neighbors Media Group. Peace.